Hi, this is Chippy with UMPCportal.com. Just about to test out the Amazon Kindle PC software, which has just arrived at Amazon. So I've installed it actually on another PC to test it out. But this is the Viliv X70 UMPC, which is actually quite a nice form factor for running the Kindle software on it. It's pretty light as well, got a nice case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from scratch here and try and install everything live on this video. Hopefully it won't take more than a few minutes. So I've got the link in my article, so if we go to my article here, we can go to the Amazon software page. This is the Amazon software page. We're going to download the application. Should pop up here, save file. I think it's a fairly small file, so it should download fairly quickly. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit on that so you can see a bit more. Excuse me. So I don't know if this is going to work on two PCs. This is actually quite a good test. I've already installed on the other PC and bought a book and downloaded it and started to read it on that PC. So let's see what happens with this one. The software is extracting right now. This is a fairly quick bit of kit, this, the X70's SSD. Fairly lightweight, as I said. About 7 hours battery life with the Wi-Fi off, so it's pretty good actually for a PC. Also has screen rotation as well, and I'll show you that in a minute. Right then, now I need to register my account at this stage, so let's just do that off screen. Let's have a look. Look. Don't want you to see my details, do I? hiblue.com, and the password is GG and that. Right. I'm now registering the PC on the Kindle's on the Amazon website. And let's see if it registers. It's registered. Okay, I'm going to synchronize it now. Sync and check for new items. See what happens. Hopefully that's going to go away and show me what books I've actually bought from the Kindle store. Archived items. There we go. And there's the book it's downloading at the moment. That's the book I bought earlier on my other PC. So clearly you can have one book on multiple PCs, and there it is in all its glory. So if we hit this button, I think, there we go, I think we get the screen rotation, and now we're in a rotated mode. Now then, what you'll notice is there's a hell of a lot of margin on this. It needs a bit of a clean up, but the left and right margins are used for clicking backwards and forwards. What you can do is change the number of characters per line, and take the font down a little bit as well. Now that's pretty readable to my eyes. The other thing we could do is probably hide the taskbar. Whoops, not the task manager. Just hide the taskbar if we can. Okay, well, you get the drift. I'll do an auto hide on that taskbar. I don't need to waste time doing it now. You can go to the table of contents and then very quickly flip through to different parts of the book. Let's show you the cover, which is in colour. I hope you can see that. The white balance on this video might not be perfect, but that is a colour picture, quite high res as well. And what you can also do is make bookmarks. So I can do a bookmark here, and that's made. Oh, that's interesting. The bookmark for my previous look at the book was there, so it synced the bookmarks from the other device I was using. So that's quite interesting. You can't make notes, you can't do highlights at the moment. That's coming soon apparently. And that's really pretty much it in terms of the software itself. Not much to see apart from the book itself. Clearly, if you have a lot of books, they're going to be listed in this front page here. But actually, you know, it's interesting because when you think about how small these PCs are now and how small they could be next year. Intel says on the Moorestown platform that this device of this size will be half the volume, so let's say half the thickness of this, and therefore down to about 400 grams, 300 grams maybe. It gets pretty interesting as an ebook reader. Clearly this is not e-ink display, but it's backlit, and there's a relatively good brightness that can be used in most situations. I wouldn't say it's perfect for outside, but most situations it's pretty good. So for example, let's push the brightness up here. Actually, you won't be able to see that on the video because the automatic brightness controller will adjust it. But anyway, so that's all working. I'm going to go off and read a book now. Thanks for watching. This is Chippy from UMPC Portal with the Amazon Kindle software. Actually, I better tell you what version it is, so that when you watch this video in the future, you know what version it is. Doesn't say, but this is basically the first release of the software in November 2009. So thanks for watching.